When he's in the streets, they call him Jaime. Him too. They don't just call him Richard. I see some side covers. No exhaust too?
Sure. I mean, some exhaust.
Oh shit, you did some powder coating too. I wasn't like that, huh? Take it easy, bro. Hell yeah, dog. That looks good. Spacers, covers. He ain't fucking around, people. He ain't fucking around. Hey. What's up, mi gente? Lane Splitters Miguel here. We're gearing up to head east out to Daytona Bike Week. So before we head out, we're hosting a We Do What We Want bike night tonight at Chopper John's. So jump on the bikes, come say what's up. We'll see you there.
I was thinking nuts to nuts. Yeah, you just sit in the front. Come on, bro, nuts to nuts. Oh, yeah, you want anything from the gas station? Want to go? He's gonna walk. Yeah, I know, like it's 1957 and shit. He's gonna walk down the street. Bro, get your steps in. Get my steps all day, bro. Right. How much you want to check? Want to check my steps right now? Hey Siri, how many steps have I walked today?
I'll need to access your health data.
Never mind.
You can enable that in.
Wait, hold on. I bet you if I go to health. How many steps you walk today? I'm checking. You know. 900. Yeah, well, I got 33,000. 33,000? Yeah, I think 3,000? 3,100. Whatever, dude. You really walking? Yeah, I'm walking, bro. No, you're not. You're walking to your bike. Get my wallet. Let me see. You're not back in 5 minutes. Send the search party. 5 minutes. It'll be 5:21. If he's not back in 5 minutes, that's more than a walk. It's more than a walk if it's 5:15. That's like a fucking hike. That's like a trek. So you want to go on a trek real quick? So I've been going to the gym, dude. Check this out, right? I've been going to the gym. I gotta say, I'm not consistent for sure, but 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. I would say I'm averaging 3 to 4 days a week. That's average. It's pretty good. Marty, how many times do you go to the gym a week? See what I mean? See what I mean? I'm winning. All right, so the point I was making about the gym was I don't need a fucking walk to the store. I don't need steps, bro. I burn 597 calories a minute. You know what I mean? I don't need steps, dog. Steps are for lames, bro. I don't need steps. I ride. That's what I do. I ride. There's like dust on there. You know what's even the craziest part of this? You would think naturally that dust would like fly off because you ride your bike. It doesn't. It doesn't. Riddle me that. We can bind it up like this. Good catch, home slice. But we'll just rock it just for now. Don't fuck with it right now. So we just got these Cosa gauges, right? So watch when you turn them on. You gotta come from this view. Look at this view right here. Watch. It says hello, big snacks. Miguel programmed that. See, look. Hello, big snacks. Even crazier. I knew that it was dirty, right? So I've been riding around for like 4 days. With the stuff to clean it. It's in here. Brought to you by Clockworks. I don't know what they would say, but it cleans. Cool. Is that why you're calling me? Because you're in trouble?
No. Do you want something? I forgot to ask you.
No, I'm okay, though.
Oh, okay.
That's very nice of you. I thought you were calling me because you were lost looking for directions on how far you walked.
Nah, bro, I'm good.
You want anything?
Trails. I know where I'm at.
You want anything? Yeah, no, I'm good. Unless they have, you think they have Voss water?
Voss water?
Okay, actually, you know what? See if they have Waikema water from the mountains of Hawaii. It's really good.
Fuck off.
Alkaline water.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. If they don't have that, see if they have Australian licorice.
Fuck you, bro. You fucking with me?
Okay, thank you though. I'm okay.
Pinche cabrón.
Bye.
Yeah, I fucking walked back, bro.
No way. I'm sorry. I was just kidding.
All right, I'll see you in a bit.
Bye. Music moves the soul, or whatever they say. What's the saying? Music moves the soul.
Alcohol moves the body, music moves the soul.
Yeah. Because when you get past that age of 46, dog,
Hey, what the fuck?
you need something to lube you up, you know what I mean?
Wow, dude. Wow. You know what? Let me plug back into this and
Lower it
fix
down.
fix the tune for you a little bit.
Lower it back down.
Yeah. You know, I'm just gonna fuck with you now and just change the settings on your head unit every time.
And freak out.
You'll be like, it don't sound right. It don't sound right.
Something's going on here.
Bro,
What?
what are you doing? Is this a Lamborghini paddy wagon?
Yeah. It's a Lamborghini paddy wagon. I know.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Sorry about that. That was a dick move.
It's all good, dog. There's worse people out there. There's definitely worse people out there. At least you smile. At least you smile when you fuck me over.
I was like, ooh.
Yeah.
That was harder than I was supposed to do. You think we could get them to chase us? Is that Camaro?
Oh, that would be pretty cool, huh? They wouldn't catch me, but you. What? The fuck? Hey, you're back. Is it more than 5 minutes? What time did I say? 5:21, huh? Fuck, fool! That was more than 5 minutes. That's a trek. It wasn't a walk.
You made me go back for your bullshit, bro.
Damn.
He's like, you want anything? I was like, you think they have Native American water? Whatever I said. Actually, you know what? See if they find...
Native American water.
I said water. Australian licorice? That's a real thing, though.
Australian licorice?
Yeah, it's in a kangaroo bag. You ever seen that? You've seen it.
Like a pouch?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah,
No, for real.
Just when I thought you can't get more weird, you gonna pull some kangaroo licorice on me?
I'm telling you, dude. You want to bet steak dinner? Oh, I have proof of this. So yesterday, Rick, you met Rick, my softball team, Rick.
Yeah.
You met Rick. Rick's like, I bet you can't hit a double and run a double. And I said, steak dinner. And he said, okay. I was like, no, steak and shrimp. Actually, steak, shrimp, and lobster. And he's like, God damn. He's like, all right, hit a double the next one no matter what, and you take two no matter what. That's okay. Nailed it. And I pulled
Overthrow?
No, I pulled the fucking like a little league move. So I ran first, and I was like, I ran and stopped.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh God, I almost had two. I just kept walking. And the guy didn't even pay attention. As soon as he turned his head, bro, I booked a second. And Rick goes, motherfucker.
Yes. See, if you guys didn't know, us here at Lane Splitters are natural athletes. Beer league.
I mean, this is
beer
the
league
peak,
athletes.
This is peak male performance right here. Look at these bodies. This is peak male performance.
Yeah. Doesn't get any better than that.
Prove me otherwise.
Challenge me at pickleball. Say I won't. Challenge me at some pickleball.
That's fun, dude.
Dad strength.
Now you guys.
So what you got in this Lamborghini panel wagon?
So, I have a cicada special. Get like me, be like me.
You need a Lane Splitter special.
Damn. Edit that out. So I have a Lane Splitter special. Here we have 210s in the bags. We have a component set up in the front. And we have the RR3T with the tweeter driver, the 3-inch tweeter driver in the rear 6x9s. She's good for 120 plus decibels. Yeah, solid. 128 maybe, like 128, close to 130 decibels. Just so you know, Apple Watches and Apple phones tell you to turn it down over 100 decibels. They alert you. You could damage your hearing. So Yeah, it's pretty nasty. It's pretty nasty. Also, is the 124 lane splitter special here too. Gap 'em. Gap City Central. Welcome to Gapplebee's, serving one.
Marty's pretty cold off the line. He's pretty cold off the line.
Yeah.
60 footers, all day.
For racing 60 foot, I got you for sure. You know why though? It goes back to my grassroots of running moonshine.
He's old. He's old.
Just kidding.
If you ever want to try Marty, on Sunday Fun Day, when we do our Sunday Fun Day racing, it's always a definite race. You go up to him and say, hey, yep, it's on. Marty's never going to turn down a race.
Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact, Jack.
Got dingleberries hanging over here, dude.
I don't know. It's one guy. That's one guy hooked me up.
¿Dicen papel de baño o qué, güey?
So one guy hooked me up. He's like, I can do it better, bro. I can do it cheaper. Damn. Just hang it out there, you know.
Another garage mechanic in action.
So we told everybody kickstands up 6:30.
Son of a bitch. Why did we say 6:30? I just want to ride, bro. I just want to fucking ride. Dang. Can we like tell them our clocks are fucked up and?
Sorry, man. You missed us here.
Like,
Yeah.
It's okay. It's all right, Papa.
That second one was pretty sick, though. Back this way. That is Isaac.
Isaac?
It is Isaac. That's what I heard.
That sounds funny.
Haha, very funny. So what happened was, I didn't see him. I didn't see him. I was just trying to beat Miguel at all costs.
Think you got your plates?
Oh, for sure. Absolutely. Can't miss that. 4 letters. I think he's going to come back and see me later. He didn't see my face, though. My helmet was on the whole time. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Good thing he didn't chase me.
Oh, he did until you were like on the right, and then he kept going straight.
Yeah. I think he was waiting for me to blow past that next light on the on-ramp, and then I think he would have fucking chased me. So that was my one fuck up for the year, and we're not gonna come back. We're not gonna cut back to this footage and be like, remember that one time that I fucked up? Might be more fuck ups later. Marty with Lane Splitters here. I got the Soundz guys with me. I got Dan and Pete here. We just started a new collaboration with these guys. We're going to be bringing Soundz across the nation to multiple rallies and multiple events here. We got one of our newest bikes here, a 2024, that they helped us with installation. They helped with training, gave us a rundown of the SE series of Soundz audio here. I'd like to play a demo, but I'd also like to kick it off to these guys so they can give you a little bit of background on what they do.
All right, well, I'm Pete, owner of the company. Got Dan here. Dan's our GM. So just out here, excited getting these guys all set up to rock and roll on these new bikes.
And I'm here to lend the support and help these guys kick off and have a lot of success for 2026 with the #1 bagger audio on the market.
All right, so this is our SE system with our 1400 watt amplifier, our proprietary A to B interface, and RTA tuned DSP that comes standard in all of our kits. We have our proprietary lid kit. We were the first ones on the market with a lid kit for these bikes, so definitely one of the nicest looking lid kits that's going to go in there, all waterproof. Fits any of the 6x9s. That's really it.
So this is the SC system that we put in for this 2024, and this is going to be something that we're going to be doing across the nation with our team with Soundz. And come see us, check it out, we'll do something good for you guys.
What's up, mi gente? Lane Splitters Miguel here. We killed it today at Chopper John's. Bike night's going down. People are checking out the new Soundz audio. It's been a blast. If you want to keep up with our new partnership with Soundz Audio, make sure you like and subscribe to our page so you don't miss any new videos. We'll catch you at the next one.